Hello guys, welcome to Miscellaneous UPSC. Today we are going to deal about, how to remember important countries surrounding few seas. It is difficult to remember these kind of miscellaneous things, right? Which countries surround Mediterranean Sea, which countries surround Dead Sea, Red Sea, right? Today we will be learning all these things with simple words, like for Caspian Sea. For that you need to remember Tariq. Tariq is a Hindi word of date. Like that, there are few tricks, what we call as mnemonics. We call this mnemonics. These are memory tricks. Okay, let's go into the picture. Next, what did I say? The trick for Caspian Sea? Tariq. Okay, first, T. What does this T resemble? It resembles Turkmenistan. See, next, A. Azerbaijan, not Armenia. It is Azerbaijan. Next, R. It is Russia. Fine. Next, I. It is Iran. What is K? Kazakhstan. Simple. Kazakhstan. Simple, right? Tariq. Remember this thing for what? Caspian Sea. Simple. हो गया. Caspian Sea हो गया with Tariq. Next. Even this is very miscellaneous thing, right? If any mapping comes from Europe, that is very difficult, right? Because just remember how many countries we have dealt in Europe, right? So for even this we have a mnemonic. Let us see what is that. Burget. It doesn't have any meaning, but remember this thing. Burget is for Black Sea. Black Sea. What countries are there in this Burget? Bulgaria. See, where is Bulgaria? Here is Bulgaria. Next, Ukraine. Ukraine. Right. Next, what is this? Russia has annexed this part. Very famous question. Even this question came in below our Kotiswardu, right? This is Crimea. Due to this annexation, Russia is facing a lot of sanction. Even this Russia got eliminated from G8. Actually, now we call it as G7, right? Before it was G8. That one person was Russia. After this Crimea annexation in 2014, it was removed from this G8 summit. Okay, that is what. Next, Georgia. Here it is, Georgia. Next, Romania. Fine. Turkey. Simple. So from this, which country is sharing largest boundary with Black Sea? That is Turkey. Okay. Remember this. What is this? Burget. Guys, this is not the rule. For yourself, for your convenience, you can create your own mnemonic. Okay. Next, Great Lakes. Even this is important, right? We have dealt these lakes in our important lakes of the world, right? So in which country these Great Lakes are present? Which countries? I cannot say which country. Which? First I will ask which continent. North America. Simple. And which countries? So at the top, they are becoming a boundary between Canada and America, right? Here there is a city, Chicago, and in here there is another famous city, Detroit. Detroit is called automobile industry of the world. Okay, automobile hub of the world. Whatever the country, whatever the car uh, America produces will come from there. Okay, that is famous for automobile industry. There is river I have told, Saint Lawrence. Okay, I'm just giving a quick recap. Okay, there is nothing related to this mnemonic series. Okay, okay. What is the mnemonic for this? Simple. Holmes. H for Huron. O for Ontario. M for Michigan. E for Erie. S for Superior. So I have told you some specialty about this thing. This is the largest freshwater lake in the world. If you did not see this thing, just go and watch my lakes video. Okay, simple. Next, Holmes. What is the mnemonic for Caspian Sea? Tariq. For Black Sea, Barget. Simple. Next, this is important. Which state is here? I have told you this is very important state. Even here is Persian Gulf connecting Gulf of Oman. Okay, Gulf of Oman. There is a strait. Even I told these two are very very important because a lot of issues happen here. This is Hormuz Strait, Hormuz, connecting Persian Gulf and Oman Gulf. Fine. This is Bab al Mandi, Baba Ramdev Mandi. Fine. Connecting Red Sea and Gulf of Aden. Aden is a city in Yemen. Okay. That is why it got its name. Fine. Okay. Then how to remember what countries present? I mean countries bounding this Red Sea. Let us go. Simple. Dead Sea. Dead Sea. Dead Sea. Remember it as a Death Sea. How we will pronounce it? Dead Sea. Dead Sea. Dead Sea. Okay. Djibouti. Here is Djibouti. What is the capital of Djibouti? Capital of Djibouti is Djibouti. Fine. Eritrea. This is Eritrea. Asmara. Capital. Okay. Saudi Arabia. This is Saudi Arabia. Here is Saudi Arabia. What is the capital of Saudi Arabia? Riyadh. Okay. Next. Sudan. Not Somalia. Somalia is present in Horn of Africa. As for Sudan. Here is the Sudan. Fine. Next. See, in our lakes class we have discussed, right? What is the lake here through which Blue Nile comes? This is Tana. And from which lake White Nile comes? That is Victoria. Fine. I hope you remember these things because these are very important. Next. Y for Yemen. Simple. Completed. Dead Sea. That's it. Next. Horn of Africa. Even this is important because why it got name is from this you can understand it looks like a horn of a rhino. Then what is the mnemonic of this? Simple. Seed. Seed for horn. Somalia, Ethiopia, Eritrea, Djibouti. Simple. Djibouti is very important because for keeping an eye on India, China is building a naval base here. Fine. Even uh, to safeguard itself, even India is building its own naval base in Oman. That is Dusk. In Dusk, it is building its own naval base so that it can keep an eye on China, which is building navy here. Fine. These are simple things which you need to remember. Okay. Next. Here comes the picture. Baltic Sea. This is a long one. Okay. This is like a sentence. Root Germany sells Poland and Finland. R for Russia. D for Denmark. What is the capital of Denmark? Copenhagen. Okay. Germany. What is the capital of Germany? Berlin. Right. Sells. Sweden. Sweden. Estonia. Latvia. Lithuania. Baltic states. Simple. Root Germany cells Poland and Finland. Poland and Finland. Simple. Root Germany cells Poland and Finland. Simple. Baltic countries. Completed. I will check whether you remember there is a canal here. Kiel Canal, okay? Kiel Canal. Connecting this sea with this North Sea. Okay? Next. What is this Gulf, guys? I have told you, right? What is this Gulf? Riga. Gulf of Riga. It's the capital of Latvia. Okay? We have done with this Baltic Sea. Next. Here comes the picture. Okay? First, let us cover which countries boundary with I mean European cities countries boundary Mediterranean Sea. Okay, let us see. Money scams in France and Greece. First, M. Guys, I have told you, right? There is a small country here. In here, Monaco. Monaco biscuits, you know, right? It is a country, smallest country. Fine. Here, even here, there is another country, Andorra. But there is no need. But why I have told me, even that country is boundary Mediterranean Sea. People forget this thing because this is not present here, right? See, but there is Monaco biscuit. Okay, M for Monaco. Scam. Slovakia, Slovenia, sorry, Austria, Bosnia, Montenegro, Albania, Greece. I for Italy, Spain, S for Spain. Two S's, right? One for Slovenia, another for Spain. Simple, right? Next we will go to Asian countries and African countries. Asian countries is simple. Metal. Morocco. Next. Algeria. Tunisia. Libya. Egypt. Simple, right? Next. Even Asia is covering this Mediterranean Sea. Let us see which country. Sea list. People who are good at sea will know this sea list. Sea list, linked list, something. Cyprus, Lebanon, Israel, Turkey, and Syria. Friends, there is issue happening here, right? I mean, Cyprus has found some petroleum wells here. Something has happened here, but there is an issue happening between Turkey versus France. France is helping Cyprus, and there is some part here which belongs to Turkey. Okay, that is the reason it is imposing some pressure on this Cyprus. Fine. This may be coming in your mapping question. It might happen because it is in present news, right? Next. Always China is present in some aggressiveness, right? Because there why is China striving for this South China Sea? Because there are some mines, it seems here. Okay, nodules, polymetallic nodules. Okay, they're present at the depth of the sea. Okay, that's the reason Chinese is following very aggressiveness here, right? Trying to exert its own right on these small islands, Parsley Islands, Sugarbull Islands, next Parcel Islands. Okay, even with Japan, it is facing something. Okay, these are the issues. That's the reason I have brought this thing. This is what I made. Okay, from my, I mean, from if I'm figuring out this whole thing. Vim soap, the best cleaner. Okay, Vim soap is the best. Wherever you find capitals that implies country, okay, don't mind these small letters. Okay, Vim from Vietnam, I for Indonesia, M for Malaysia, S for Singapore, P for Philippines, T for Taiwan, B for Brunei. Next, C for China. Okay, simple. Vim soap, the best cleaner. Remember that. Next, countries surrounding the Myanmar. Why this is important? Because there is a lot of refugees. I mean, lot of people due to the aggressiveness of this junta, that is army of Myanmar. People are infiltrating into these states. So that is the reason this is important for our mapping. Okay, Aruna, Mami, Arunachal Pradesh, Mami, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, and Mami for Manipur, Mizoram. Simple, right? Aruna, Mami, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram. Next, Saab. Even lot of things are happening in Japan. Sorry, Bhutan, because even China is not leaving Bhutan also. They are imposing their rights on a national park here. Okay, even due to this, funds got stopped to this Bhutan. There is a small issue here. Even Doklam crisis is there here, right? In between India, China, and Bhutan. Actually, there is no, I mean, no relation due to that with that crisis for India. But you know, right? India always stands as a big brother for Bhutan, so it provided some forces to help Bhutan. Fine. This is the Saab, Bhutan Saab. आपके पगले में हम हैं सिक्किम अरुणाचल प्रदेश Assam, Bengal. Simple, right? Next. That's it, friends. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, just hit the like button. Fine. Thank you.